it's very clear that the network infrastructure will evolve to more bandwidth, more dynamic and integrated, and also more green. So many technologies need to be developed, and so this morning I heard the roadmap of the different working groups all works toward the higher speed advanced modulation for the device, for the protocol, for the network architectures. So that's quite coincident that our goal is the same with the GreenTouch. And next part, I will show you the examples we provide the services to our customers, and that's the portion of the Green by ICT. We using several domains like living domain, living space, working space, and moving space, and also we create a so-called computing space for the corporate applications, and there's also personal spaces that we can show you some examples. The first is we provide so-called energy saving services to the enterprise. We can provide the central monitoring, management of electrical power, and air conditioner, lighting, and heat pump, and that can be applied to the buildings, the factories, hospitals, and also the government facilities and schools. And there's some cases we show the more than 23% energy saving via our systems. And also there's an example, we use the ICT technologies to administrate the street light. And that can twofold for the automatic failure detections, and we can dispatch the maintenance people to replace the failure one, and also we can use the ICT technologies to save the energy. And for the intelligent transportation systems or the telematics services, we have several services, some for the enterprises and some for individual. For the enterprise, we call it commercial vehicle operations services like fleet management, taxi dispatching systems, and also for the public transportation services. And in the visual services, we can provide information, travel information to the driver, to the travelers, and basically through the mobile handsets. And we have some statistics for the taxi dispatching. The driver's income increased about 20%, and the vacant time of the taxi reduced about 50%. So many taxi drivers join in our dispatching systems. And also we try to provide services to the communities, and for the community, the property management, central monitoring, surveillance, and also for access control, parking lot control, and also for the energy savings. And we can provide the unified communication in the communities. And so that's through the ICT we can make contribution to the energy savings. And that's some examples for the video surveillance for the street, and also we also can do the license plate recognition, and other applications. And right now there's new requirements for our company to deliver the emergency notifications to the citizens. So we develop with our technologies the emergency response platform and can deliver the emergency message to our customers. We can use predefined areas with the database of the PSTN phone book dialog, directories. We know the number of the residents inside the certain areas, so we can notify those customers. And with the location-based capabilities, we know the customers enter the areas, the handset customers. When they enter these areas, and we will send them the emergency messages. So we can use the voice phone, the PSTN phone, to deliver the message. Also, we can use the show message to the mobile subscribers. And we have some applications used in the Taipei's Floral Expos. By the way, may I make an advertisement? There's still 7 days for the Floral Expos in Taipei. And we provide a kiosk to provide multimedia informations, and we develop the mobile wallet. And with the NFC, near field communication handsets, that the users can get the flower guide. That's the guidance, the introduction of the flower. And we develop a Bluetooth dongle to replace the NFC handsets. And also we develop the signage, interactive signage. And based on the sensors and devices, the so-called the IoT, we develop the different ICT services. And according to the prediction of the Ericsson, there will be 50 billion devices connect to the internet by 2020. And from the Cisco's Visual Network Index, the M2M traffic will grow 44 from 2010 to 2015, and with the growth rate of over 100%. And the research from the Forest show the global revenue of IoT will be 30 times higher than the internet. So we try to focus on the behaviors of the IoT here. So we try to learn the technologies, the architectures, the modeling from the GreenTouch activities. So we try to put our effort in the future for the green IoT. We will study the path model, the traffic models, and get all the traffic characteristics so we can analyze the different applications, different services, what's the behavior in the IoT. So that's our pleasure to join the GreenTouch, and maybe we can put more efforts in the activities, and then we can learn more, and also we can develop our business in the future. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks to Dr. Tu. Is there any questions? Okay, in that case, I'm going to ask one question. So we do see a lot of new service which make from the telecommunication world, so that make people's life a lot better, and people also can make money. So in your opinion, the green activity, for example, that in GreenTouch, how you think will benefit your organization?
As I mentioned, we try to replace our equipments with green products, so that's reduce the power consumptions and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. That's the whole target of the country. The whole country, I can say that that's the whole target of the universe, to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. So with the fewer power consumptions, then that's will do great contributions. And we try use the technologies to save power consumption for our customers, and they will make our more business. So that's our goal. So that for the first, I show the can see. I can see this one. We developed the applications to enable the impacts of the green ICT. That's in this stage. That's our goal, to provide more green services, and we will contribute to the environment.
Okay, thanks a lot for the presentation. Please join me to thank Dr. Tu's presentation again.
Thank you.